1, 2, 3, funk it.
Hey guys, Navya. Welcome to my YouTube channel Perks of Being Navya, which is ironic because I don't see any perks of being me. Anyways, I asked you guys to send across some unpopular opinions you guys have so that I can react to them, and that's what I'm doing today. I'm going to be reacting to your unpopular opinions and giving my views on them. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first one is I hate ketchup. Honestly, I'm not a big fan of ketchup myself. I won't mind having ketchup, but I do not need it with my food. Like if I'm having a burger, I do not put ketchup. Nuts and chocolate, so good. I don't know why people don't like it. I disagree. It's absolutely no. Chocolate is supposed to be either just chocolate or caramel and chocolate. Why are you mixing nuts? If you want to have nuts, just have it alag se na. Eat a chocolate, put some nuts in your mouth. You get Cadbury fruit and nut. I'm sorry, I just cannot. Sorry. Winters is better than summers. No. I'm born in winters, like my birthday comes in Jan, and I still don't like winters. I mean, you're supposed to love your birthday month. Like, yeah, birthday, let's go. I do not. I cannot. No.
No.
Summers is much better. And personally for me, winters is torture. Like, no matter how many layers you wear, you still feel thund. So no. Maggie with ketchup do not go together. 100% agree. Matlab, ketchup in Maggie? Why yaar?
Why?
I'm sorry. I know this is very unsatisfying to see. Like the big lump of Maggie, the thanda Maggie kids usually get in school. But mine got very thanda and now it's fully gone, so I can't help it. Riverdale degraded after season 1. I agree with this. Like I absolutely loved Riverdale season 1, and because my brain cells are kind of dead, I still watch Riverdale. It did degrade. Like I don't know, there's like no storyline behind it anymore. It's just going on for the sake of it. Netflix has to clarify this. You cancelled Chilling Adventures of Sabrina, but not Riverdale. Why?
Why
Did you do this? And the end, okay, I don't want to give spoilers, but the ending of Chilling Adventures of Sabrina, it broke my heart. I'm sorry, you cannot end it like that. Okay, now that we're on the topic of Netflix, TVD is overhyped. I think like if you asked me this 3 months back, I would have agreed with this because it took me literally 1 year to cross episode 1 of TVD. I just could not with the, oh my god, that wing. Like no. After I finished the whole show, I just did not. No. Like it's a good one-time watch if you're very, very bored. Old Taylor Swift was better than the new Taylor Swift. I kinda agree with this one. I mean, old Taylor Swift songs were amazing. Like I remember in grade like 6 and 7, You Belong With Me was my jam. I used to stand in front of the mirror and hold a kangi and sing. Like that was my thing. I haven't heard her new album, so I don't know, but I would prefer old Taylor Swift songs. Then Starbucks is overrated and overpriced. Yes and no. Because Starbucks is overpriced. Like I do not get what's there for a 350 rupee coffee. Overrated, no, because I personally really like my Starbucks drinks, so yeah. Madison Beer is overhated. I kind of agree with this one. Like I don't get why people hate on her at all. She's extremely talented And if you have a problem, like even if, let's say, she got cosmetic surgeries done, what's the problem with that? Like, it's her body. If she likes it, then it's fine. And if she's not, even if she's hiding it from the world, probably she's not ready to share it with everyone. So it doesn't really matter. I mean, she is a stunning queen. Let's just stay with that. TikTok dances are stupid and do not lead talent. I disagree. I'm sorry. I love TikTok dances. The amount of self-confidence TikTok dances can give you is unreal. Like, I love TikTok dances. I'm in a bad mood, let's do a TikTok dance. I'm sad, TikTok dance. I'm happy, TikTok dance. It works in every situation. Then Thanda Maggie is better than Garam Maggie. Absolutely not. The fact that I'm eating Thandi Maggie right now is contradictory, but Thanda Maggie is not better than Garam Maggie. Garam Maggie is the best. I'm eating this because of my respect for Maggie and the fact that I love it so much and I cannot waste it. But Garam Maggie is the best. Forever New and Zara are not inclusive brands in terms of sizing. Agreed. These brands have such tiny, small clothes. Like, they have really pretty and cute clothes, but they are not inclusive of all body shapes and sizes. So I feel like they're only meant for people with that perfect hourglass figure. Anything here and there or not in that demographic, it does not fit you. Being polite to someone doesn't make you fake. I agree with this, because like, I do this. There are times I don't like a particular person and I'm not fond of them, but I would be nice and polite and respectful to them because they haven't done anything to make me not like them. It's just that our vibes do not match. And there's a lot of time you meet people where you just don't click. And it's okay, because you can't be best friends or just with everyone, right? So being nice doesn't mean you're fake. Being fake is that you are overly affectionate to someone, behind their back you're just like, oh. Like, that's what being fake is. Smoking is not cool. I agree with this. Like, I'm not a fan of smoking. I'm sorry. I just cannot deal with it. Smoking to be cool necessarily does not work with me. Pugs are ugly. I agree. I'm sorry. I love dogs. Like, I like dogs from afar. I'm kind of scared from them. I'm kind of scared of them when they're like right there with me. But pugs I do not find cute. I just feel like, you know, you take a pan and you smack them on the face. And that's a pug. Playing a sport improves your academic performance. I agree with this. I personally play basketball, and like, I compare my productivity while I'm playing a sport, like while I'm playing basketball, it's like here. And when I'm just not playing basketball, I'm just focused on academics or like one particular thing, my productivity is here. So I do feel like playing a sport really helps you increase your productivity in general, be it academic or any. Zayn Malik isn't attractive. Who said this, yaar?
कौन है ये लोग? कहाँ से आते हैं ये?
If you do not find Zayn Malik attractive, please go and get your eyes checked. I mean, how is he not attractive? Like, look at this, look at it, look. Okay. No, sorry. In my personal opinion, Zayn Malik is very, very attractive. If you do not find him attractive, then maybe our definitions of attractive are different. And it's completely okay. Okay, I think this is going to be the last one. Modi is the best. Since it's a political view, I am not going to comment on it because a lot of people have many different political views and this can get very controversial. So I think it's time to end the video here. So thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Comment down what else you want to see because I kind of run low on video ideas. So help would be appreciated. So yeah, thank you.